Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about different blush placement techniques, and I'm also going to suggest what face shape these techniques are suitable for. But remember, makeup is supposed to be fun, and there really isn't a rule to makeup, and I actually use all these techniques on my face. It's just that some techniques will make your face look more pulled out, and some of the techniques will make your face look broader, and some of the techniques can make your cheeks look more fuller. So these techniques can alter your look, but really just have fun with it, and I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you like this kind of videos, please let me know by liking this video. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. So let's get started. So the first technique that I'm going to show you is, I think, the first technique that we all learn to do when placing our blush. And this is by putting the blush on the apples of your cheeks and then just fading it up. So if you're using a powder blush, just use a brush blush and do circular motions on the apple of your cheek and then fade up. Just make sure that when you're doing this technique, don't go down, as this can look droopy. So I'm gonna show you first. So I'm just going to smile. And so here's the apple of my cheeks. I'm gonna start there, and I'm gonna concentrate the color here. And then I'm gonna fade up. Now this color is very natural, more like a bronzy color. So I'm going to add a little color from 3CE. This has more of like an orange tone to it, and it's in a tone DIOTIMA. So again, apple of the cheeks, smile, and then oopsies. So I would suggest doing this blush technique with a face shape that is more elongated. This application widens the face this way. If you have a longer chin or a longer forehead, this is a great blush placement for you. Because my cream blush biscuit is very natural, I'm gonna switch actually to my DIOTIMA cream blush, and I am going to show you the second technique. This technique is actually suitable for all face shape. This doesn't really alter too much of your face shape. So I am going to get a product, and then I am going to start with my hairline. So I want to focus more of the color near my hairline and then fade this way. So I love this technique because it just gives dimension to your face without really altering your face shape. And if you're using a powder blush, just concentrate your blush brush on here near your hairline. Just do round motions and then go down, fading to this part of your face, maybe up to here, like where your pupil ends. So with this way, again, it just gives you that dimension, like a different color on your face without really altering the face shape. As you can see with this first technique, you can really see that I really highlighted my cheekbones and my cheekbones looks fuller. This one, not really. It just really add that color onto my cheeks. So the third technique that I'm going to show you is what I call the C placement technique. And I'm going to use the Featherweight Cream Blush in Heavenly. So with this technique, I place the blush on top of my cheekbones, on my temple, and on top of my brows. Now, if you're going to use this technique with a powder blush, I suggest using a fan brush like this. And then you just apply your blush like this on a C shape. I'm going to blend this and really just blend it on your hairline. Now, I love using this technique for my clients with a square face, because this technique will give you an illusion of a more pulled out look. So on the fourth technique, I'm going to show you what I call a straight line application. So I am just going to start with the hairline going down on top of my cheekbones. And then when I'm blending it, I'm just gonna blend it up and not down. So I am not gonna drag the color down so it wouldn't look droopy. And this technique is good for a face shape that is more rounded, because this will give you that lifted look on like top of my ears, hairline. I'm just gonna go and stop right here. And as you can see, I'm blending upwards. So both of these techniques will give you more of a lifted look. My fifth technique is actually my favorite, and I think this would look really good on a more elongated face because we're going to apply it this way, so your face would look broader. But I really think that this application is just to really make you look cute. I would suggest this to anyone who would like that sun-kissed look, that summery look. And this is called a drunk blush technique. I'm going to use my 3CE DIOTIMA cream blush, which I like for this look. So essentially what you'll do is you'll go on top of your nose and then just straight there. See how cute that is. And you're just gonna blend it. So this technique just makes you look like you went on a vacation, you went to the Bahamas, and you got that kind of like a sunburn look. This is also called a drunk blush technique because, you know, when you had too much alcohol and you just have this red face and red cheeks, that's how it looks like. I really think that this technique is very, very cute. And I especially love this technique with this kind of color, like a corally color. And you can also use a really pink tone to it, but for me I like this shade better. And I really like to go heavy here in the middle of my nose. I don't know why, but I feel like it just looks so cute when you do that. And some people would put like faux freckles on top. It really looks cute. So those are my 5 favorite techniques when applying blush. I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, Charles, again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.